Hey guys, I want to demonstrate how to install the WebDev module on your Ignition gateway. So with the WebDev, you can actually carry out so many additional functionalities. For instance, let's look at the WebDev module. You can use it to connect directly against web server inside the Ignition gateway. So it allows use of different resources such as Python and static web resources. Okay. And also allows you to build RESTful web services API. It allows external systems to interact with the Ignition server. So looking at this, can see that for this is my gateway. Okay, this is the Ignition. This is the Ignition user manual, and this is my Ignition designer. If you look at this project browser, right, it's not having the WebDev module, and that's what we are trying to achieve. We're trying to install it. So when you first download Ignition and install it on your PC, you're not going to have the WebDev module installed. So you have to download it and install it. And that's what we want to achieve. So I'll go to the gateway. So when you go to the gateway, just try and log in. When you log in, you go to the config. Then you have a module. When you get to the module, you see all the currently installed modules, and you can see activated and running. So if you see that here now we are not having any web dev module, right? So you can install and also upgrade depending on the version you have. So if you look at this, you can see the version. So this is the version here. You can upgrade it and add more. So I'll go to the Ignition page to download the web dev module, right? So let's go to the Ignition. So go to the I have the Ignition inductiveautomation.com. Then you go to download. When you get to download, so you click on this one, which is order. Don't click on this download for Windows. Go to the order operating system or version. Then you scroll down under Ignition. You just scroll down. You get to what we have, Ignition modules. You can see. Then this will show you the core modules of the Ignition. Then scroll down. Then click on the web dev module. Okay, which is very like 115 kilobytes. So just click on this. Then it's going to ask you to fill out the details. Then you click on download. So fill out all the details and click on download. I'm going to pause the video and do that really quick. So I have it installed. So I have the web developer module, which is 115 kilobytes. So the next thing I need to do is to install. I will go to the gateway. Going to the gateway, I'll click on install or upgrade module. Just click on that. Then you see install a module. Choose the extension file, like the file has to be .modl. If I click on you can see it having an extension type, which is modl file. So that means we're good to go. And you just browse for it, then click on it, web developer module, then open, then click on install. So you can see you have it here already. Just click on install. You can see install, successfully install a new module. But if you are installing it for the first time, it's going to ask you to accept certificates. Just accept the certificate and install. If you look at the last module here, you have WebDev version 5.114. Then the functions we have allows you to create inside web, basic web resources, and respond to web requests through scripting. You can actually use Python to write your code. You can see activated and running. If there's any issue, then this running will be like faulted or something. So from there you can know if anything is wrong. So going back to the design now, so it's going to ask to restart. Then you So if you have an existing project, you want to export it to your local file, but in this case, no, so I'll just click on no. Then it will restart automatically. You can see restart, then you ask it to log in. I'll log in now. So I'll be able to log in now. Open. I have so you can see here we have it now. Before we are not having this web dev module, then let me delete this. I've created this already. So we are not having this. So if you have you'll be having something like this, the web dev, then web developer, then it's gonna you see all the different type of resources you can use it with. We have Python resource, Py resource, text, and one to folder. But I'm using Python resource, so I'll have let's see testing. Yep, let's see test, right? Tests. Okay. So now create. Make sure you click on the resource you're using. Then you have so you have the HTTP method. Do get, do post, do put, delete, do add, options, trace, and path. So for this, get means you're just trying to get fetch data. Okay, let me go back to the ignition manual. So you can see we have you can see Python resource is the heart. Resources are the heart of the functionality of the web dev module. Resources are completely dynamic and can handle all parts of the HTTP protocol, formulating any type of response. So these are the available methods, which is what we have seen there. So you can do this and the HTTP response, right? So return value, this is the return value. So when you actually implement a method, you have to specify the type of response you're expecting. So and this can be HTTP, JSON, file, byte, text. So these are all you have there. So let's test this out to see if it is working. So yeah, here we have the HTML response. So we are expecting it to give a response. So I'll click on the resource name, then I'll go to choose, launch web dev, then launch resources. Then it will open a browser. So from this browser, you can see that hello world. So technically, what this is giving out is just hello world, and this is just the to tell us that okay, this is HTML, right? So hello world. That's if I change it to let's say something else. So get me a copy. So if I launch it again, let me save launch. You can see get me a copy. So something like that, not really a big deal. So you have it like that, and I can also change it to JSON. The JSON is just a Python dictionary, right? You have the key and value. So I'll do that really quick. So what I have here is I've comment this out, then I have the JSON format, right? So this is the key results, then I need the programmer, so I'm just gonna save, then I will launch it. Launch. You can see, you can look at the formats here, JSON format, results, and the programmer, so something like that. So very easy and straightforward. And if you check the ignition manual, you have all the necessary information you need to to get started. So I have so looking at the browser, this is my API endpoint, and I can put this also on Postman. So I can use this for my testing as well, just to test. So this will serve as my external system. So I'm just going to put the API endpoint here. And I'll choose the method, which is get. Now click on send. So you can see JSON format, then have it. Okay, so same as what we have on the browser. And if I go back to the Ignition designer, I can comment this out and also comment this. If I click on send as well, so you can see get me a copy, which is HTML, right? Thank you.